A multi-destination family trip to Europe. It's the dream, right? Ancient cities, incredible food, unforgettable memories. But often, the success of that dream trip doesn't hinge on your itinerary, it hinges on this: the pack. We've all been there. The stress of an overpacked bag, the arguments over who carries what, the fees at the budget airline counter. A poorly packed bag becomes an anchor that weighs down your whole trip. But what if packing wasn't a chore? What if it was your first strategic step to a better vacation? Hi, I'm James Gerald of Mythic Horizons Travel. As a father and a travel professional, I've learned that a strategically packed bag is the silent partner on your journey. Today, I'm going to teach you the art of the pack, a system built on three core pillars to make your next European family vacation smoother, lighter, and more enjoyable. Those pillars are strategic mobility, ensuring your family can move through varied environments without being weighed down. Curated versatility, creating a wardrobe that adapts to changing contexts. And absolute preparedness, anticipating the challenges of modern travel. Let's start with the foundation, your gear. First, forget the idea of one giant suitcase per person. For Europe, you need a flexible family fleet. This is a hybrid system that distributes the load and empowers everyone. Tip number 1, empower your kids. Give every child a small backpack or rolling suitcase they can manage themselves. This gives them responsibility and focus in busy airports. The rule is simple: if they bring it, they must be able to carry or pull it themselves. Tip number 2, the flex bag. This is my secret weapon. It's a lightweight, packable duffel bag that starts the trip empty. Use it for souvenirs, separating dirty laundry, or as a family day bag for excursions. It's a pressure release valve for your entire luggage system. Tip number 3, the strategic personal item. Your small backpack or carry-on isn't just for snacks. It's your in-flight survival kit. It must contain your documents, medications, chargers, and a complete change of clothes for everyone. This ensures a lost suitcase doesn't become a trip-ending disaster. Okay, you've got the right bags. Now, how do you pack them? This is where the magic happens. First, the great debate, rolling versus folding. The expert answer is to do both. For most of your clothes, t-shirts, shorts, kids' clothes, rolling is superior. It saves space and reduces major wrinkles. But for bulky items like sweaters or structured blazers, a neat fold is more space efficient. Next, packing cubes. The primary benefit of packing cubes is organization, not compression. Use standard malleable cubes for most things. Assign a color to each family member to make finding things easy. Only use compression cubes for their specific purpose, taming bulky things like puffer jackets. Using them for everything creates inflexible bricks that waste space and can cause you to go over your carry-on weight limit. Finally, the capsule wardrobe. This is the most transformative strategy. It's about packing versatile pieces that mix and match. The key is a coordinated color palette, 2 or 3 base neutrals for everyone, plus 1 or 2 unique accent colors for each family member. And remember the rule of 3 for shoes. They're the heaviest items. No one needs more than 3 pairs. Beyond clothes, there are 3 non-negotiable kits you need. 1. The document dossier. Use the 3-2-1 backup rule. 3 copies of your documents in 2 formats, physical and digital, with 1 copy stored off-site in the cloud. This includes passports, birth certificates, and a notarized consent letter if a child is traveling with only one parent. 2. The mobile apothecary. A well-stocked family first aid kit is essential. Include child and adult pain relievers, allergy meds, stomach aids, and basic wound care. All prescription medications stay with you in your carry-on, always. 3. The tech kit. Get 1 high-quality universal travel adapter with multiple USB ports, and use a dedicated tech pouch with color-coded cables to end the whole "who took my charger" dispute forever. The goal of a perfect pack isn't to win a puzzle, it's to engineer a system that eliminates stress and frees you to be fully present in the moments that matter. The perfectly packed bag is the one you forget about the moment you arrive. My job as a travel advisor is to handle these kinds of complex logistics so you can focus on making memories. If you're ready to plan your family's next great story without the stress, I've taken the time to schedule complimentary consultation calls. You can find the link in the description below.